Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei P40 Lite, and today I'll show you how to change the language of the device. So if you encounter the amazing feature of this device, when you insert a SIM card, it automatically changes the language of the entire device to the language of the SIM card, then you probably are right now in a bit of a trouble, considering everything is in a language that you, for instance, might not understand. And to change it, you want to first start off by going into the settings. So right here, settings. Now I'm going to basically show it by icons and also try to give a English version of it, assuming I will translate it correctly to what they will call it. But from the settings, you want to scroll all the way down, and second last option you have system and applications. So right here, so once more you can see this is the icon of like a phone with a gear. And from here, third option is language and notifications. And from here, at the top you have language and region. And you should see the language that is right now set to with the check mark. And then below in the blue text you have add language. And from here, choose the language that you wish to use. So it's also so amazing that the language that was previously added, it completely removes it. So you actually have to re-add it. So let's just actually English. There we go. Just want to add. There we go. And then tap on change, which is the button on the right. And you can see automatically it goes to the top, and the language that you don't, for instance, want to use is now below and deactivated, and everything is in the language that it was right from the get-go. So that is how you would change the language of the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.